Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do a very famous case that is Nithari killing case. Nithari killing case was the case of 2006, but recently it was in picture क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने acquit कर दिया था main suspect को who was Surinder Kohli in that case. Nithari killing case is not just a single case, it was the case of serial killing. So let's see the facts of this case. So the Nithari case came to light in December around 2006 in Nithari village, which was in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. For nearly 2004 to 2006, several children and a few women from the area had gone missing, most belonging to poor and migrant families. Families complained to the local police, but FIRs were not properly registered and no serious investigation was conducted initially. The case exposed when human skulls, bones, and body parts were discovered in a drain near house number D5, owned by Moninder Singh Pandey, who was a businessman. Surinder Kohli, who was Pandey's domestic servant, was arrested and he confessed that he abducted, sexually assaulted, killed, and dismembered victims. Note down, confession later became legally disputed because he said his confession was not voluntarily taken. Even the allegation of cannibalism were made during investigation, which shocked the nation. But these allegations later on focused evidentiary challenges in court. So later on, due to public outrage, the investigation was transferred from UP police to the CBI. CBI filed multiple charge sheets treating each victim case separately, leading to numerous trials. Between 2009 to around 2010, trial courts awarded death sentences to Surinder Kohli in several cases, but the Muninder Singh Pandey were acquitted in some cases but was convicted in some cases. Over time, High Court turned the conviction due to various faults. Some of these were like faulty investigation, improper forensic handling, unreliable confessions, procedural lapses. In 2023, the Allahabad High Court acquitted both the accused in most cases, citing lack of legally sustainable evidences. The case exposed serious police negligence, including failure to act on missing complaints and delay in investigations. So, the victims were mostly from economically weaker sections. This has insulted the ethics and emotions of various social or society members and raising concerns about social inequality and selective policing. The Nithari case is often cited as a landmark example of systematic failure in child protection and criminal justice in India. This was the only reason Supreme Court in 2025 has declared that this case is manifest miscarriage of justice because in this case not only the victim but as well as the accused rights were infringed. As accused, which was Surinder Kohli, suspected accused, because later on it was acquitted by the Supreme Court in 2025. So the suspected person has said that the confession was not legally taken, but due to lack of speedy trials and due to lack of proper interrogation, this case ended up with no justice.